If you advertise on Facebook or Instagram, today's update is going to be one that you absolutely need to pay attention to. My name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder here of a tool called SamCart. Myself, my brother are the co-founder, our team. We have spent well north of $40 million in advertising to sell our own products and services, to sell SamCart. But there's a massive problem, and anybody who is an advertiser is going to know instantaneously exactly what I'm talking about. Current problems with advertising is that you are constantly either under or over reporting your ROAS, right? There's a huge lack of customer data. You have inefficient ads as a result of that. It's tough to find your best customers. You're always trying to look for these little pockets of, hey, Facebook, go find me more people like these people. And as a result, you can't scale. All of that just sort of rolls up into you can't scale. So let's take a look at exactly what the problem is now, and then also the fix that SamCart has that's going to solve this problem, and then also exactly how to set it in motion in about 30 seconds. So right now, you've got ads. Your typical kind of like funnel, right, is you've got ads, you send them somewhere, eventually they make it back, your customers make it, page, whatever, somewhere to go buy something. Maybe you have some additional products and services. Maybe you have some upsells. Maybe you have some upgrades. But the result is, as your customers sort of move through your flow, they kind of land here. Each customer has their own kind of unique, each one of them has put their own unique things in their shopping cart to go buy, right? And so reality is you might have 3 customers that together all brought in something like, say, $900 in revenue. You spent $500. That's a tidy 1.8 ROAS, which means you can scale up and spend more money. But the problem comes in, right? When what Facebook thinks happens is you got 3 customers, you treat them all kind of the same in terms of what amount of revenue they brought in. They're not unique. Some didn't spend more or spend less. So you end up with that same $500 in ad spend. Maybe you only tracked $300 or so in revenue, and your ROAS looks terrible. And all of a sudden, you can't spend as much, right? And what you end up with is sad AirPod guy over here, right? Where what happens is Facebook is matching up and bringing you more of your lowest value customers, because all their customers look the same. They're wasting money on bad audiences that you shouldn't be reaching out to. You're forced to spend less because it looks like you're not making as much, right? And growth slows way down. So what did we do to fix this problem, right? Well, to fix this problem, what we did was implement this. So now right inside of your SamCart account, all you need to do is drop in your Meta Pixel ID. It's like a 15 or 16 digit character number. You just drop it in and SamCart's going to take care of the rest. And with this in place, right, let's see how this changes. So you're going to start same spot, right? You're going to start in some ads, right? You come over here, you click on checkout. If you're using SamCart, using something else, whatever, each customer does the same thing. They each kind of grab their own unique, spin on things, whatever. And instead of seeing reality, what's tracked inside of Facebook might be half as much as what you made, right? SamCart is sending over that purchase data with exactly what each customer spent, exactly what discounts they got on coupons, exactly what additional products they tacked into their whole world. And your Facebook ad account starts looking like this, right? SamCart fires over all of this different information. Every time there's a page view, every time there's button clicks, every time there's a purchase, every time there's whatever, SamCart's just flooding data about your customer, about exactly what they spent, right, back over into Meta, into Facebook, whatever you want to call it. And so as a result, your customer data makes it all the way back and gives us kind of like Happy Zuckerberg over here, who just wants to gobble up all that data. From just like a person who enjoys personal privacy, that's kind of messed up. But as someone who enjoys Facebook advertising, growing a business, the more data you give this man, the better he's going to do for you and your business. Right? So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to go and set this up so that your Facebook ad account starts looking more like this than the kind of ROAS gap you've been running into so far. Okay, so from my dashboard, all I have to do is come down here and go to settings. And then I'm just going to scroll down in my marketplace settings and you'll see it right here. I toggle the Meta Pixel on, right? Meta Facebook. I will never not call it Facebook. Drop in your Pixel ID, which you can grab from your Meta account, your ads dashboard, right? Grab your Meta Pixel ID, click Save Changes, and you are done. I highly recommend grabbing, and I'll just go ahead and pull this down. I highly recommend grabbing the Facebook, it's the Meta Pixel Helper Chrome plugin. So with that saved, if I go grab an Express URL and just open this up, you're going to see this plugin recognizes, okay, cool, here's my pixel, and it's already registered its first event and sent information back to Facebook, right? Step number 1. So now as the customer goes in and let's say I add in a discount code, maybe I tack on another product or two or something kind of like that. And then let's see how quick and easy it is to go buy with stored credit cards. I'm ready to place an order. And as I process this order, right, you're going to see that Pixel Helper plugin is now launched another event, add payment info, with more content, more data sent back over to Facebook. And as it gets me over to an upsell page, now my order has been done. My first purchase event is also now sent over to Facebook. And it includes the product IDs of the products I bought. It includes the name of the first product that I went out and bought. It is a exact dollar for dollar, ROAS comparison. Essentially, it says that order was $44 and we're sending $44 in ROAS over to Facebook. It's got tons of stuff about quantity. It's going to send over more about Facebook more about your customer and all that kind of stuff. And now here I'm on an upsell page, SamCart, one-click upsell. I click accept for this $150 offer that I just bought another thing with my credit card on file. And as we go over to the next page, you're going to see here's another page view event and another purchase event, right, for $150 only. So there's no double counting revenue. It's sending over multiple purchase events. It's sending over multiple page views, add payment info. Anyway, we are just flooding Facebook with more data so it knows exactly who your best customers are, right? So it can find more of those people, bring them back, better ROAS calculations so that you can scale up your campaigns. Our whole goal is to take this two-sided chart right over here. Here it is. I don't want reality to interfere with what Facebook thinks. I want whatever happens in reality to match perfectly what Facebook thinks, right? So no more under-reporting or over-reporting ad campaigns, no more struggling for more data. It's all there. SamCart is just sending it back to SamCart. SamCart is all the data is there. SamCart is just sending it back over to Meta. And all you have to do is come into your marketplace settings and drop in your Pixel ID. Definitely go check that out. Grab the Facebook Helper plugin, Facebook Pixel Helper plugin. Test this out for yourself. A wild thing, especially if you're running ads. Go get SamCart. Partner up this technology, samcart.com. Grab a free trial today. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with another update soon.